Let's go into Bitcoin. Okay, this is really interesting. Okay, because last week when we came, we delivered this that we expect price to come somewhere here, 596. We're looking at these levels if this level is broken. Okay, so structure here was broken. Okay, structure here was broken. So we said if that structure breaks, it came to the weekly. Okay, we talk about if that is broken, we expect price to move lower into the 65s and probably reverse from that based on what we were looking here. So we talk about this level, and that's exactly what price has done. And price actually respected this area, and we trace back to 72, or we close back around this level. And actually, Bitcoin is still trading today. What I was interested in it, I came and I look at the monthly chart. Okay, if I look at Bitcoin's monthly chart, okay, this is the area of importance. So it's like a monthly order block. Okay, this is a monthly order block here. We don't actually have a monthly fair value gap, but this level is really, really important. I will be happy for Bitcoin to come and retest the 59. Okay, even if possible, I will be very happy because this fair value gap here has been filled. Okay, but price could probably try to come aggressively and test 53. So little by little, because I believe at the end of the year we are going to break 140,000 level for Bitcoin. So this is the lows that is setting for the year. Then we'll take off. Okay, look at here. We have another monthly fair value gap here, about 20 between. If you look at the space here, it's from about 33,000 to about 27,000. And there is also a monthly order block, but it's unlikely Bitcoin is going to come because we have a lot of accumulation from the funds and the institutions and the big guys who control the markets. So I will patiently wait. I'll be happy for price to come and retest here. If price doesn't come to retest the 59 again, what am I going to do? Based on this weekly here, we have a weekly sell fair value gap here. Okay, so then I will look for an entry for price from anywhere from here, and I want price to come back to this weekly fair value gap of between 79 to 86. Okay, or the mid there, and look for probably a sell. Okay, from there for price to bring it down again, maybe take out this low and go away. So from now going, I would rather be looking for a buy on the daily chart. When you come to the 4-hour chart, the only interesting thing we've seen was on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, we have this fair value gap here, 66 and 68. So a little bit has been filled, but we haven't filled it fully. So I will be happy for price to maybe come to the 66 area. Then I'll look for buy to 72, 86 area and wait for that reaction for price to come down and give me another buy. I'll wait for price to come to the 66 level that we saw, and actually I will look for buy from there to come to all the way here. This liquidity sitting around here, we have liquidity sitting around here. Then in that 86, I want to see that weekly fair value gap, sell fair value gap filled. Then I want to see another reaction comes back, maybe take out this and possibly even come to 52. And now look for buy for Bitcoin to make an all-time high. So just be patient and don't rush into the market. If you don't get any trade or you don't actually agree with the pattern, just leave the trade alone and wait for another time for when the chart really looks clear for you. That's what it's going to do. So this is what I see or we see on Bitcoin, okay? This is Nasdaq, and this is the weekly chart. So last week, if you remember, we talk about this liquidities here, okay? And I said I would like price to sweep that liquidity and I'll look for sell. And if you look at the weekly, that's exactly what price did. And I said over here we will be looking for buy around this area. So the sell came exactly as we predicted, and then price reversed from there. So if you look at the daily chart, you can see it from there. Okay, price actually sold off here. We came here and then we have the buy. We have a reaction here, and this is it. So the daily chart even doesn't look interesting for me. So this is what I'm going to do on this chart here. If you look at the 4-hour charts, okay, we have a couple of fair value gaps. Okay, let me use the printer to show you. There is one here. This is the wick here, and this is the wick here. We have a space here which haven't filled, and the price has given us another fair value gap here. Okay, so what I want to do is when the market opens Sunday night, I want price to fill this first fair value gap. Then I'll look for an entry for buy to come to all the way to this level. Or if that one fails, I'll be looking for a buy around this second fair value gap and that other block. And I'll wait for price. I'll take all the way here. Just wait for the two of them. Either the first one to fill, move your time frame to a smaller time frame and wait for a buy signal and move all the way up, or wait for the second fair value gap on the 4-hour to be filled, and then that's if the first one fail. And then you take your trade from all the way from 24.3 to about 26. Okay. So this is all that we have for you for this week. We appreciate your love, comments, and be engaging on the chats. If you want us to look at any market for you, just comment and tell, say the market, for instance, pound yen. And until next week,